Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at the Majorette Lamborghini gift pack. These gift packs by Majorette are really nice. They put 4 or 5 cars next to one another in this window box. Looks really cool, it displays very nicely. So here on top you got the Lamborghini logo and the Majorette logo. Again, the Lamborghini logo in the front. You got a depiction, some card art of one of the cars inside the gift pack. It is hiding the car behind it. This is what I paid for this one. And at the bottom you got some legal information. You got the Lamborghini sticker here that states that it is an official product, and the packaging date August 2017. And on the back you get the 5 cars that are in it, and it shows the one that has an opening feature. In the background here you got some kind of a crowd that is watching the cars, waiting to start the race. That's what it looks like. So we're going to use this one as a background because I have another one that I have opened up. So this is the first one. This is the Gallardo. This casting was released in 2011, and it can also be found in the Lamborghini series. That is a series of 6 cars that are sold in single packagings, blister packagings. I've never seen that series here in Europe, so I can't show you an example of it. And it is also found in the racing cars series. Now this one is a bit of an odd one. First up, it's put together by screws instead of riveted. It's got a detailed base that is not that common with Majorette. It's got some stats on the bottom, like the engine, 5.2 liter and 560 horse, and the top speed is very Siku like. It doesn't have suspension, so strange things going on here. Maybe it's because it's an older casting, and also they did not put the scale on the bottom of this one. That's something they usually do, so that's also very odd. So no suspension on this one. This does have full deco all around. It's got painted headlights, no inserts, and as usual with Majorette, a nice interior with a proper steering wheel. You can see the engine through the glass cover, and for exhaust it feels very light too, this one. The stance, it's not great, could have been a little bit lower, but you know, it doesn't have any suspension, so you cannot change it. Second one is the Aventador. This one was released in 2015. You can also find it in the Dream Cars gift pack that was exclusive to the Miura drugstores in Germany. And you can also find it as one of the 2 cars that come with the Lamborghini theme truck. So the Aventador, this one does have suspension. As you can see here, the base is completely different, not a lot of detail. And here it does say the scale, échelle, it means scale in French, 1/64. So this is really tiny for a Majorette. Usually Majorette run a little bit bigger. And the other casting that is in this 5 pack or gift pack, the Huracan, also is in 1/64 scale. So what I'm thinking or assuming is that Lamborghini wants Majorette to do their castings in 1/64 scale. Don't know if that is actually the case, but maybe that's what they want them to do. So this one is riveted. It does have the scale on the base. It does have suspension. It does have the plastic inserts for the headlights. It's got the Italian flag running across the car. It's a cool feature. The stance is really nice. If you push it all the way down, it's too low, so does not look good like that. This would be okay, but it's not far off from the standard ride height, so they done this one really well. It's got details all around as usual. Here you can also see the engine through the see-through engine cover. Nice interior, proper steering wheel. Cool, very nice in this matte black color. And the next one, the red one, is a Giftpack exclusive. You cannot find this one anywhere else unless in this Giftpack. This is also an Aventador, so the same as the black one. And this might seem familiar to some of you, and I will show at the end of the video why it is familiar. So that's one that we're going to see again later on. So here we got another Gallardo. So this version you can also find in the Lamborghini series. So here's that weird base again. This one does have different wheels. The other ones all had the same wheels. This one has the different style of wheels, a little bit bigger too. So this is in an Italian police livery, Polizia. So it's got the Polizia on the back too. Oh, my camera is slipping away. Stay there. Sorry about that. It's got the separate piece for the light bar on top. So that's cool. And then the last one is the Huracan LP610-4. This one was released in 2017 in the premium cars, and there it goes again, sorry about that. The premium cars. And you can also find this one in the Lamborghini series. So here again, 1/64 scale, suspension, riveted. The stance is okay. It's got bigger wheels, so they fill up the wheel wells pretty nice. This is what it looks like all the way down. I think actually it looks a little bit better like this. So it could have done without the suspension and a lower stance. But anyways, it's good enough. So this is the one with the opening feature, where the see-through engine cover opens up. We got the lens headlights also. Got an orange stripe all across. Very cool. So let's get back to this one. This one seems familiar to some of you because it was also done by Hot Wheels. So this is actually a Aventador Miura homage. So you can see pretty much the same livery. So this one I paid $149 for. This one I also paid $150 because the other Giftpack I bought for only €7.50. So let's compare these two. Scale wise, let's see, the Hot Wheels is actually bigger. That doesn't happen often. Usually it's the other way around. So the Hot Wheels must be a little bit bigger than 1/64 scale. Of course it's got the staggered stance, you know, the bigger wheel in the back. That is so typical for Hot Wheels. As you can see here, the Majorette. It's got this black painted piece here in front of the rear wheel. The Hot Wheels does have that same piece here, but it's not painted black. The stripe, the gold stripe runs through, but the Hot Wheels does have an emblem that says Miura 50. I don't know if you will be able to read that. If it will focus. See, Miura 50. In the front, the Lamborghini has the tempoed headlights. They both have the Lamborghini emblem. The front bumper is pretty much the same. The air intakes are a little bit bigger on the Lamborghini than they are on the Hot Wheels car, but pretty much comparable. The Lamborghini, the Majorette does have the mirrors, the side mirrors. Here it's the same as on the other side. And in the back, the Hot Wheels does not have any tampos because it has tampos on the side and on the front. So there's no budget for taillights or anything else. The Majorette has the Lamborghini name and these black pieces here. Here and here. This is the base that is clipped into the body, whereas the Hot Wheels one has these holes in the casting, and then you have a plastic piece that is probably part of the base or the interior that you can see in the back, so it's a little bit deeper than the Majorette one. You got the central exhaust, both of them, and the see-through window, which is very comparable. So all the details are the same. Also here on the side, this piece and this piece, very comparable, as you can see here and here. So they both did a great job at making this car look good. But being at the same price point, I have to give the win to the Majorette because it's got way more details. It's got suspension, it's got tampos all around, it's got the rear view mirrors, lens headlights. It's yeah, Majorette has put way more work into it, and you know, for the same price you get more bang for your buck with Majorette in this case. So this is the winner. Hot Wheels, you lose. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.